Welcome to my presentation of the Disabled American Veterans DD214 Training Course, also called the DAV. The Disabled American Veterans is an organization that supports and empowers veterans to lead high-quality lives with respect and dignity. Here are the learning outcomes for the DD214 Training Program. The program is to improve and enhance the learning of DAV service officers while increasing the number of veterans who acquire VA benefits and apply for DAV membership. Please take a moment to read through the learning outcomes. Veteran service officers interact with veterans and the DAV administration. They interview veterans to assist them in applying for a myriad of veterans benefits. The average learner's age ranges from 35 to 65, and the majority of active members are in their later years. Many of them are accustomed to military learning design, which is learning-centered and cognitive-based. Some learners need assistance using computer technology, while other learners need guidance in the instruction for navigating technology and computer systems. As explained by John Sandrock in his book, Essentials of Lifespan Development, it is possible that variations in the learner's ages may play a factor in how the technology is received. Since the closed training is mandatory, learners will need to register and sign up for the course once they have completed their initial DAV service officer training. The learning space is both virtual and physical due to the nature of the asynchronous learning model. The lessons are designed for learners with auditory and visual impairments. Learners will be encouraged to complete 5 training modules and 1 summative evaluation module using the courses designed in the DAV DD214 Learning Management System. The lessons are 5 to 10 minutes in length each and can be completed in both the physical and learning virtual environments. Those in the physical environment benefit from the presence of training VSOs who are there to observe and assist learners who complete the course at a DAV facility. The content is produced in several formats, so learners can listen to it with text or a transcript, or watch it with subtitles, text, and transcript. And the module quizzes are not timed, but must be completed before advancing to the next module. The DAV facilities are already accessibility conscious, with staff to assist learners, and the program is offered online. The program is meant to also accommodate learners that need to complete the module outside of a DAV classroom. However, many of the active VSOs may also need assistance in using the training tools and program learning management system. The DAV facility classroom environment will consist of 10 desks with computers at each desk. Computer desks may be set along the walls, or they could be set up in a classroom environment. Training VSOs have the flexibility of testing both options to evaluate training. Facilities will include an overhead projection screen so that trainers have the option for synchronous onboarding. The spaces also are accessibility aware for all VSO learners. The virtual environment allows learners who do not need assistance with computer technology or guidance using the LMS the opportunity to complete the formal training at their leisure. This makes learning accessible for those who cannot travel or who need to work from home. In physical spaces, the learners also have the option of collaborative learning in both formal and non-formal learning environments. According to Gunawandena, Franchette, and Lane, community interaction has 2 levels: active participation and good sociability. An integral part of this training is that it includes human-centered learning design to increase engagement and interaction. Training VSOs can enhance learning, motivating learners to feel like they belong in the environment. Learners also gain a stronger sense of community and a larger social presence while maintaining their individual identity. Training VSOs will observe both formal and non-formal training for future evaluation. The design of this course utilizes the ADDIE model to determine the delivery and the format of the training. The training is designed and developed according to the needs of the learner, while the instructor and training VSOs observe, implement, and evaluate the learning. The master instructor leads the asynchronous course, and training VSOs will manage, observe, and decide the layout of the physical environments. However, the asynchronous training will only be updated by the assigned instructional design team. Training VSOs are also able to assist and encourage learners to interact and engage on site. They are available to assist learners by answering questions about the content as well as the delivery medium. Lastly, the DAV DD214 program takes a leadership role by encouraging more veterans to support, assist, and network with DAV members while becoming service officers in the disabled veterans community.